Welcome. We are going to complete our challenge 1 assignment today and decide if something is a fact or an opinion. So we're going to use the flow chart to help us decide if something is a fact or an opinion. I want you to use the statements over here listed on the side and use a different Google Doc to decide on if one is a fact or is an opinion. We're going to do the first one together. Cats are better pets than dogs. This is the statement. We put it here in our flowchart. Does this appeal to your emotions? No or yes? Cats are better than dogs. I think it does appeal to my emotions. So I'm going to say yes. Does it use a descriptive word? Our descriptive word is better. So I'm going to say yes. It is an opinion. If it had been no, or any of these, we would have gone over and followed the no, and then decided if it was something we could prove, yes or no. If it was not provable, then it would still be an opinion. I hope this helped you understand how to use the flowchart.